myself Santhosh. I'm from Paris. I got to know this workshop through my college faculty. He insisted me to register this workshop. Actually, before coming into this workshop, I was just know the concept of RTOS. What is an RTOS? I just know the abbreviation. It is a real-time operating system. After coming into this workshop, I can get a clear experience of what is a real-time operating system and what are the technologies and the basic softwares are used in this. I was already worked with STM32L15 series. Now I got to know about that STM32G0 some WX series. It was a quite helpful session for me to get an clarity about that kind of microcontrollers and all. I was about to do a project on industry automated vehicle, which is communicated between two different networks. So I was using to plan of using the STM32L15 series. I don't have any idea about that real-time responsiveness of the circuit and the technology and the software to code it. After this workshop, it may be a helpful session for that project as well as for my industry level skill for that. This was a great session indeed. Thank you all.